Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I welcome you back to the video class of St. Joseph's Academy, Ghaziabad. Children, in this video we will be learning English Mulberry of class 2nd. So quickly take out your books. Children, in the last video we have read chapter number 12, Fix It Farida, and we have understood it. And in today's video we will be doing the exercise part of this chapter. So let us come to page number 128. We will begin with making connections. So children, here we have two questions. Question number 1 is choose the correct answer. So, A part, Farida is dash. Now children, here we have three options: 7 years old, 10 years old and 11 years old. So children, what do you think is Farida's age? Yes, she is 7 years old. So we will write Farida is 7 years old. Now we will move to the next part. Bosco works as a dash. So children, in this story we have learned about two people, Dr. Rita and Bosco. Bosco is Farida's neighbor. So what do you think? He works as a plumber, an electrician or a carpenter? Yes, we have learned that Bosco is a carpenter. So we will write down Bosco works as a carpenter. Now children, after doing question number 1, we will move to the next question. Question number 2. Circle the things that Farida fixed. So children, here we have a list of things and we have to circle the things that Farida has fixed. So let us come to the first picture. This shows us toy cars. Then Foxy's leg, a light fuse and a leaky tap. So children, what are the things that Farida has fixed? Yes, she has fixed the toy cars. Then Foxy's leg. No children, she tried to bandage Foxy's leg but she was not able to fix it. And then she goes to the vet, Dr. Rita, to take her help. So we will not circle Foxy's leg. Now next, a light fuse. Children, you can see this is a light fuse. We have this in our house also. Farida wanted to fix a light fuse, but her father told her to grow up a bit, then she could fix it. So we will not circle a light fuse. Next is a leaky tap. Yes children, we have learned that Farida had even fixed a leaky tap. So we will circle this in our book. Now we will move to the next part. Come to the next page. Here it shows a pencil box and we have learned that Farida had fixed a pencil box. Now children, let us move to the last picture, a dollhouse. So do you think Farida has fixed a dollhouse? Yes, correct. So we will circle a dollhouse. Children, I repeat, the things that Farida had fixed are toy cars, a leaky tap, a pencil box and a dollhouse. Now children, I hope you all have completed quick answers, question number 1 and 2 in your book. Now we will move to the next part. So write down the heading in your copy. Now children, this is the question answer part, so you will have to do this in your copy. Write down the heading. Reference to context. So children, here we have a line given to us. I cannot fix it, cried Farida. So her mother tells her, we cannot fix everything that goes wrong. Sometimes there are special people who help us to do that. So children, do you remember when Foxy fell in a ditch and broke his leg? Farida begins to cry and she says, I cannot fix it. So her mother tells her, we cannot fix everything that goes wrong. Sometimes there are special people who help us do that. So children, here are some questions given to us. So first of all, you will write down the line from the book. Here I am writing it in the blank form. Now we will begin with part A. The question is, what was broken? So children, what was broken that Farida could not fix? Yes, Foxy's leg. So we will write down the answer. The leg of Farida's dog Foxy was broken. Children, I repeat the answer. The answer is the leg of Farida's dog Foxy was broken. Now we will move to the next part. Question number B is, who helped Farida? So children, who had helped Farida to fix Foxy's leg? Yes, the vet, Dr. Rita. So we will write down the answer. Farida was helped by Dr. Rita, a vet. Children, I repeat the answer. Farida was helped by Dr. Rita, a vet. Now, let us move to question number C. So children, write down question number C from your book. The question is, what work does this special person do? So, this special person is a veterinary doctor. And what work does this special person do? Yes, they take care of animals and treat them. So, we will write down the answer. This special person treats animals for their illness and injuries. So children, this was the answer for question number 3. C part. Now we will be moving to the next question. Now here the question is, Farida often visits Dr. Rita. And what does she say? She tells her, "You will make a good vet, Farida," says Dr. Rita. So, after Foxy has recovered, he is able to walk properly, Farida visits Dr. Rita. And Dr. Rita tells Farida that you will make a good vet. Now children, why does Farida visit Dr. Rita? So, now you have to write question number 4 from your book. So, I will write it in the blank form. Farida often Dr. Rita. So children, A part, the question is, why does Farida visit Dr. Rita? So why do you think she goes to Dr. Rita? Yes, because she likes to repair things. She likes to learn new things. So we will write Farida visits Dr. Rita because she loves animals and wants to become a vet when she grows up. So children, this is the answer for part A. I repeat, Farida visits Dr. Rita because she loves animals and wants to become a vet when she grows up. Now we will move to question number B. So the next question is, what does Farida do when she visits Dr. Rita? So children, what does she do when she visits Dr. Rita? So we will write down the answer. Farida watches the vet at work and even helps her treat animals. Now children, we will move to question number C. Which word means again and again in the above lines? So in the above lines, which word means again and again? Yes, the word often. So the answer would be in the above lines, the word often means so children, now the next question, question number 5. Read, reflect and write. So children, let us come to question number 5. Who are the 2 people Farida likes to visit? So children, in this story, Fix It Farida, we have seen that Farida likes to fix things and she goes to meet some people, she visits some people. who are the two people that Farida likes to visit? Yes, correct. Bosco, the carpenter, and Dr. Rita, the vet. So we will write down the fifth answer. Bosco the carpenter and Dr. Rita the vet are the two people Farida likes to visit. Now we will move to the next question. Question number 6. What does Farida's father tell her? So children, do you remember that Farida wanted to fix many things? One of the things was the light fuse, and her father tells her not to fix it now, but you can fix it when you grow up a bit. So we will write down the answer. Answer number 6. Farida's father tells her to fix light fuses only after she grows up a bit. Children, I repeat the answer. The answer must be Farida's father tell her to fix light fuses only after she grows up a bit. Now moving on to the 7th question. Do you think Farida will make a good vet? Give reason for your answer. So children, do you think that Farida will become a good vet when she grows up? You have to tell the reason. So we will write down the answer. Answer number 7. Yes, Farida will make a good vet because she loves animals and is good at fixing things. Children, I repeat the answer. Your answer must be yes, Farida will make a good vet because she loves animals and is good at fixing things. So children, this was all about this video. See you in another video. Till then, keep learning and be safe. Thank you everyone.